Hi everyone, welcome back. So in this video, we are going to take a deeper look inside Ionic toolbar. तो ये हमारा कोड है हमारे सामने और हमें अब इसे रन करना है टर्मिनल पे Ionic serve कमांड से so that it can run on our browser at port 8100. So instead of opening a new terminal, what I will do is I will go to the view and click on terminal, and this helps us to open an integrated terminal provided by Visual Studio Code. Let me clear the console and learn and run Ionic serve. So it will open our application on port 8100 on browser. Let's go to the browser. So in one of the tabs I have opened the Ionic framework documentation, and as our compilation will complete, the application will open on port 8100. So it is a browser layout, so I will just press Ctrl Shift M and will get the mobile layout of the same application. So what I am going to do this time, I am going to minimize it, and I am also going to minimize our Visual Studio Code so that all the changes that we are going to do will reflect instantaneously. Let the terminal run and let me minimize it as well. Let the explorer go as well. So now we can see our code is here and our presentation is here, or we can see implementation is here. Let's go to developers and UI components, and let's navigate to Ion toolbar. So guys, we are here at toolbar, and see, we are going to see what is written in the descriptions. Toolbars are positions above or below content. So where is the content? And we go to our content. Here is the content, and we actually do not need it. Okay, ठीक है, चलो देखते हैं. When a toolbar is placed in an ion header, it will appear fixed at the top, and when it is in ion footer, it will appear fixed at the bottom. So एक काम करते हैं. Let's change our ion header to ion footer and see its effects. So at present our ion toolbar is on top because it is inside header, and if I choose to change it to footer, as I save the code, okay, here it is. We can see that our toolbar is shifted from topmost of our screen to lowermost section of our screen. So if we place our toolbar in header, it will appear at top. If it is placed inside footer, it will appear at bottom. So what's the next deal? And it will be fixed at the top of the content. Full screen content will scroll behind the toolbar in a header or footer. Okay, so I think that the documentation is trying to say that if the toolbar is placed inside the header or footer and there is a whole lot of content on the screen, that content will scroll behind the toolbar. In order to test that, we must have a lot of content, and to have that content I will use ion list. So instead of just scrolling list, search for ion list, and here it is. We are going to use ion list to fill in the content, and we are not learning about ion list, we will do it later. At present we are only interested in some dummy content. So I am copying it, and we don't need this content in our content section. So what I am going to do, I am going to just remove it and replace it with the ion list. Let me paste the same ion list 3 times. I have done that. Let's go back to our app, and let's do one more thing. Let's change this back to header. Whatever is going on with header will also go with footer. I have saved, and see, the toolbar goes to top, and let me scroll the content, and we can see that it is scrolling behind the toolbar. So okay, so we have got one more thing, we have tested one more thing. Let me go back to toolbar. full screen content will scroll behind the toolbar in a header or footer. So this thing we have tested now. When placed within an iron content, toolbars will scroll with the content. Okay, so what the description is saying, that if we place this iron toolbar, let me cut this iron toolbar from this place and place it inside the content, and let me save it. So that at present I am not saving it, so it is not refreshed. Now let me save it, and when I save it, what is the effect? There is no border, bottom border, and when I scroll, the toolbar will also scroll along with the content. Okay, so I got it now. So we have tested a lot of things actually. We have seen how iron toolbar changes its position when placed inside iron header and then iron footer, and what happens when there is scrollable content, and what happens when we take out iron toolbar from header and footer and place it inside iron content. So we have tested quite a lot of things, and let me put our iron toolbar back inside iron header, and because that is what actually we want in our code, and let me remove the iron list and get the things back to normal. One thing more I want to tell you in this video is that there is one thing that is very important when we are designing a UI, and that are colors. And when there is no color, it थोड़ा सा बोरिंग हो जाता है ना. तो अभी सब ब्लैक एंड वाइट है और मैं थोड़ा कलर्स भी टेस्ट करना चाहता हूँ. सो हम यहाँ गाइड पे चलते हैं, एंड वी विल फाइंड कलर्स इन थीमिंग. तो अगर हम कलर्स पे आते हैं तो आयनिक हैज़ 9 डिफ़ॉल्ट कलर्स. ठीक है, और ये 9 डिफ़ॉल्ट कलर्स जो हैं वो हैं ये: प्राइमरी, सेकेंडरी, टर्शरी, सक्सेस, वार्निंग, डेंजर, लाइट, मीडियम, डार्क. तो व्हाट विल डू कि हम आयरन टूल बार के कलर्स चेंज करेंगे और देखेंगे उसके इफेक्ट्स. सो हमें आयरन टूल बार पे आते हैं, कलर इज़ द एट्रीब्यूट नेम, एंड प्राइमरी हम पुट करके देखते हैं कि इफेक्ट क्या आता है. लेट मी सेव इट. ओके, सो प्राइमरी इज़ एक्चुअली स्टैंड्स फॉर ब्लू. एंड गाइज, आप लोगों ने देखा या नहीं देखा, ध्यान दिया कि नहीं दिया, मैं आपको एक चीज़ और दिखाना चाहता हूँ यहाँ पे. इसे मैं हटाता हूँ और एक बार आप उसका इफेक्ट देखिए. द बैकग्राउंड इज़ वाइट एंड द आइकन्स आर ब्लैक, एंड एज सून एज आई पुट कलर प्राइमरी and save it, the background turns to blue and the icons automatically changes to white color. So there is some framework behind the scenes that is actually making all this happen, and it is taking the stress out of our work as well. The icons are still visible and actually they are soothing to the eye as well. So white over blue and black over white are soothing colors. तो मैं ये कहना चाहता हूँ कि Ionic framework is actually modifying things as per user, so that the user gets a good experience. And being said that, there are different colors that we can try. Primary हमने टेस्ट कर लिया है, secondary हम टेस्ट करके देख सकते हैं. Secondary is okay, it's light blue, something like that, aqua color. Then danger को हम टेस्ट कर सकते हैं. I am hopeful कि it is red, and it is red. There was something as light as well there, so let me test light. Light is something like off-white actually, so light is gone and light is not gone. Let's remove the light color and put in dark, and it's black. Okay, and see the color of the icons, they change as well. So guys, as you can see there are a lot of options along with iron toolbar, and I also wanted to show you the slots that are put inside iron buttons, but I think we should cover that in the next video. So thanks for watching the video, and see you all in the next video, and there I am going to discuss about the slots that are put inside buttons that help to place buttons inside the toolbar. Thanks for watching. See you.